students, welcome back to the class. In last class you have studied about settlements and rural settlements. So today we are going to study about urban settlements. Students, let's study about urban settlements. The settlements have a high population which is mostly depend on non-agricultural sectors are called urban settlements. Urban settlements are mostly nucleated settlements. Next, let's see what is urbanization. The transition of population from a rural agrarian economy to urban industrial and service sector economy is termed as urbanization. Okay, next, let's see the urbanization in India. The urban population of India is about 31.16% of the total population of India. Goa is the most urbanized state with an urban population of 62.17%, whereas Himachal Pradesh is the least urbanized state with an urban population of 10.04%. The urban population of Delhi is 97.50%. And Kerala has the urban population of 47.72%. Okay students, next let's study about the criteria for urban area. In India, urban settlements are based on the following criteria. First one, a minimum population of 5,000. Second, 75% or more of the population should be engaged in non-agricultural activities. Third one, density of population above 400 per square kilometer. Fourth one, urban administrative headquarters like municipalities, corporations and military cantonment areas are also included. Okay, next let's see the classification of urban centers based on population. Urban centers of India is classified into classes. They are Class 1 town with a population above 1 lakh, Class 2 town with a population between 50,000 to 1 lakh, Class 3 town with a population between 20,000 to 50,000, Class 4 town with a population between 10,000 to 20,000, Class 5 town with a population between 5,000 to 10,000 and Class 6 town with a population below 5,000. Okay students, let's study the different names of urban centers. Based on the size of population, urban centers are known by different names. They are town, city, mega city and metropolis. Let's see each one by one. First one, town. It is a small urban center having a population less than 1 lakh. For example, Katakada. Second, city. City is an urban center having a population between 1 lakh and 10 lakh. For example, Trivandrum city. Third one, mega city. Mega city is an urban complex formed by the union of a number of cities and has a population of above 50 lakh. For example, New Delhi. And fourth one, metropolis. Metropolis is a big city having a population of more than 10 lakh. Next, let's study about metropolitan city. Metropolitan cities are the core cities with a large settlement of people than a city. India has 4 metropolitan cities. They are Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. Okay students, hope that you have understood about the urban settlements. Go through your textbook. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So be happy and safe at your home. See you in the next class. Thank you.